A big hello to everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying watching all my videos. Are you watching all my videos? Okay, everyone is watching now. That's great. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. In the last class, we have studied about my school. And in today's class, I will tell you about greetings. You know what are greetings? Can anyone tell me what are greetings? Greetings is when you greet someone. When you greet someone, when you say good morning, namaste, hello, hi, that is called greetings, okay? And you should greet everyone, be it your friends, teachers, elders. You should greet everyone, okay? Because it is good manners. These are good manners, okay? So don't forget it. Now let's start our today's class. Okay, so first thing is, when you wake up in the morning, what do? You say, good morning, Mama. Good morning, Papa. Good morning, grandfather. Good morning, grandmother. Right? Like this, you should greet everyone. Okay? So first thing is, good morning. See? This kid is waking up in the morning to go to school. Okay, so everyone goes to school in the morning, right? So she's also going to school, but before she will say good morning to everyone, she will wish everyone good morning, which is good manners. Okay, next, when you will get ready and then you will go to school, what you will do? You will say to Mama, goodbye Mama, goodbye Papa, right? Like this, you will say goodbye to them. And then what will they say? They will say, take care बेटा, ध्यान रखना स्कूल में, है ना? ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना, take care, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. So we should say goodbye to them, okay? And then they will say, take care, okay? Next is, when you go to school, when you reach school, जब आप स्कूल पहुंच जाते हैं तो क्या होता है? आप अपने फ्रेंड से मिलते हैं ना फ्रेंड से. फ्रेंड्स को कुछ बोलते हैं या नहीं बोलते? बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? हाय, हेलो, हाउ आर यू टुडे, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. Okay, so this is also called greetings. Okay, we should say hi to our friends. Okay, hello, how are you? Like this, we should greet our friends. Okay, chali. See, like this, they both are saying hi, hello to each other. Next is, when you meet your teachers, what do you say? Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, teacher. Like this, you greet them, right? And when you're done for the day, you go to your school, your home from school. Then also you greet them, okay? Don't forget to greet your teachers because they are very special for us, okay? We will greet our teachers like, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Like this, we should greet everyone, okay? Next is, then you reach to your home and then you're tired, then you sleep, you take some rest, right? And then you do your homework, you eat some lunch, and then in the evening, when you go out for playing, then what happened? You meet many other kids, your friends, or maybe uncle and auntie also, right? So in the evening, we should wish good evening. In the evening, we should wish good evening. Okay? If you're meeting someone, just say good evening auntie, good evening uncle, like this. Okay? Now next is night. Now comes the night when you sleep. You sleep at night, right? Before sleeping, what do? Yes, we brush our teeth. So I know, and I know you also brush your teeth before sleeping. Do you brush your teeth twice a day? Okay. Before sleeping, we should brush our teeth and we should say good night to everyone. Okay? See, before sleeping, we should say good night, Mama. Good night, Papa. Like this. Okay? So, all these greetings are very, very important in our life. So, this makes us a good student. This makes us a good student. If we greet everyone every day, then we will become a good student. And I know you are already a good student. Okay. So, that's it for this class. Now, I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.